Quinoa, the best ancient grain with Gouda and Spinach. Like, subscribe, and click the bell. I'm Mika, ready? Rinse the 1 cup dry quinoa in cold water until the water runs clear. Pour the chicken stock into a pan over medium-high heat. Add the rinsed quinoa. Salt it to taste. I use about a quarter teaspoon. Stir, bring to a boil, then reduce the heat to low. Cover and simmer for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, you can grate the cheese if you are using a block. Turn off the heat. With the heat off, add the Gouda in a thin layer and put the spinach on top. Cover again and rest 5 minutes. The steam will wilt the spinach and melt the cheese. Gently fold the ingredient together and it's ready to eat. Put the quinoa into a favorite serving bowl or serve on individual plate with your main course, as I did with my salmon papillo. Link above. Give it a grind or 2 of black pepper. I made this recipe specially to go with my salmon papillo, so it is a perfect match. I am sure this will be a welcome addition to your menu and you will truly enjoy it. And thanks for watching my video.